Hey everyone, welcome into this course. My name's Adam, and this is my quintessential course about 3ds Max plus V-Ray for doing architectural visualization. I am a professional architectural visualization artist or ArcViz artist, and I've been on Udemy for several years. As you can see, I have 83,728 students, almost 9,000 reviews. I don't remember how many courses I have, but I have a course about a lot of things. This one is my first class and also my most popular and best class because it takes all the knowledge that I gained over many years teaching myself how to do ArcViz, and it condenses it all into a course. And it basically is a huge shortcut for you because took me forever to learn all these things, and now I'm sharing it with others, and so people seem to appreciate that. And personally, I think it's a very, very good value and a very good way to learn how to become a professional architectural visualization artist. Let's just take a quick look at some of the things that I've done and some of the things that you'll see in the course. This is the image that we'll be working on in the course. We'll be working on this together. And this is, when I talk about 6-hour course, this is what we're going to create in the first 6 hours of the course, and we'll go through everything from scratch. I'll give you a bunch of models. I'll give you all the instruction you need to get to this point that you see right here. I'll share the parts of the model that belong to me with you for free download so that you can follow along with me and download my scene at any time. And we'll go through how it's modeled, we'll go through how to light it, how to create materials, the V-Ray render settings, all the things that you need to do to create a professional looking image from scratch. If you don't know what visualization is, then you can look at some of my renderings that I've done here, some of the work that I've done. And architectural visualization, and sometimes it's shortened to ArcViz, it is just visualizing projects for architecture, or really Viz can apply to any industry, but in this case it's visualizing architecture that doesn't yet exist, and that's often used for marketing or for just conveying a design idea or just visual communications in general. That's what ArcViz is all about, and you can see some of my examples of this from the work that I have here. And this course focuses on creating still shot renderings out of 3ds Max and V-Ray, but there are many ways to visualize things, and I have courses about all those different methods we use. We use VR and video and all sorts of different methods. This one is focusing on the basics of creating 3D models and rendering them to create a picture of something that doesn't yet exist. Here's just a look at some of my other work. I do lots of architectural things. I have other courses too about doing some of this finer detail stuff, organic modeling with furniture and things like that. Okay, in addition to the initial 6 hours, there's also several practice projects afterwards. This course has it started as just a basic outline of how you create a professional ArcViz image rendering in 3ds Max and V-Ray. But it has become so popular and it has grown so much that I've added a ton to the course since then. So you're really getting a ton of stuff for a very good deal. And there's all sorts of my knowledge crammed into this course. So it's grown to be much larger than just 6 hours. But the initial 6 hours is to give you all the basics that you need. So, so stay tuned to the next lectures. You will see you'll see where to get the software that you need. You'll see how to continue and how to use this course, how to get the most out of this course. And then we'll jump right in and start working with the project.